accept the loss, I'm hard-headed. There's a little bit of madness to my method. Me falling off that fine line that I'm treading. I risk anything to be great, and I'm not letting nobody rob me of my victory. Number one, that's what I'm meant to do. By any means, only thing that makes sense to me. I can make nice, I'll make history. I got that dog in me, yeah. Turn me up, big energy, got the crowd going. I got that dog in me, ready up. I take on anyone, I don't need no one, no, I got that dog.
Hello traders, this is Rich with Breathingwiththemarkets.com. Today is October 21st, 2025. I'm going to take you back through the last 7 days of trading. Mind you, and remember, I have not been able to trade all of my accounts because of that last video I just made about Take Profit Trader and some delays on my payouts. Therefore, I have not been able to trade 3 accounts, which I'd be killing it also. So let's go back 7 days and see. I will show you the performance in the last 7 days, and you decide. Remember, I teach a skill. I don't trade on a hunch. I don't trade on intuition. I don't trade on superstition. I don't trade on a mystery. I am here for a skill and a skill only. Let's get it.
Oh, shit. Here we go again. Oh, shit.
Here we are on 10/13. The performance for that day, it was $831 in profit. Commissions minus $24.50 and total P&L $806.50. 49 trades taken with an 83.67% hit rate. Let's go to the next one. Okay, here we are on October 14th. Stats, 1,781.50 cents. Commissions minus 271, and that day was 1,510. 93 trades, 58 winning trades, and a hit rate of 62.37. That's a little low for me, but I'll take it. 62.37. That is low for me. Let's go to the next screen. Here we are on October 15th. Trade P&L. 3,900 minus 110 in commission fees. And the net P&L for that day was 3,790, 22 trades, 22 winning trades, 100% hit rate. We go to October 16th, 2025. P&L for the day, 2,100 minus 95 in commissions, and out the door, net P&L, $2,005. 19 trades, only lost 1 trade that day. 94.74% hit rate. Here we go on October 17th, 2025. Again, trade P&L, 2,550 minus 115 in commissions. And the total net for the day, 2,435. 23 trades, 23 winning trades, 100%. Here we go on October 20th, which was Monday. 965. Trade P&L, minus 130. Net P&L for the day, $835. 26 trades, 24 winning trades, 92.31% hit rate. And finally today, the account balance was $4,005. That's the trade P&L minus the commissions, $225. And the net P&L for today is the net P&L for today is $3,780. 45 trades, 45 winning trades. Again, 100% hit rate.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
So the total for all of those trades is 277 trades in the last 7 days. I had talked about this numerous times about trading. That's not called over trading. And in my opinion, I didn't have time to trade enough. Plus, I had 3 accounts locked up for several days. So, with that said, it is a skill. I am not guessing. I am not talking about a hunch. I'm not talking about experience and intuition. Yes, I have experience. I have over 20s of thousands of trades because I've always traded this way, lots, volume, and understood the market. So if you understand the market, you know how to trade objectively, why wouldn't you trade? So it doesn't matter about the time, place, thing, whatever it is. You want to trade clothing? Go ahead, trade clothing, But the most important thing is a skill. So what is the total for that? So the total for those 7 days came out to $16,132. And then they take out the fees. So again, in those 7 days, and I did not trade all the accounts, and you saw the hit rates, you saw all the trades, the performance stats in the last 7 days was 16,132. Could you only imagine if I was stacking 20 accounts at Apex? You do the math. I'm going to tell you something right now. Trading is a professional sport. Trading, you must have a skill. I teach that skill. I teach you a skill that you will obtain and you will have for a lifetime. I spoke to another trader today, killing the market. And he said, Rich, he said, I'm seeing myself where I'm not having to think. I have my foot in the door and I'm not having to think and process this information. That is a skill that is in progress. He is listening. He is applying. He tried to go the other way and you lose your ass if you do. If you go against my system, you're going to lose. How would you like to be on the right side of the market? How would you like to have an objective system in your life when it comes to your financials, your trading? Yes, read all the disclaimers, right? But I teach a skill, and this is a skill first only channel. You will know what your level is at. Never challenge anybody. One thing you can't do is beat a skill. Screw the leverage. I have a skill that is almost second to none. I can see that market. And if you can read a book, you can see that market. You just have to get with someone that knows how to teach that skill and how to show you how to approach the algorithms in the market. I wish you well. Have a great day. Peace, traders.